fans, here we are at the shed, undisclosed location. So in our last video we talked a lot about what went wrong at the track and what went right. So this time we're here to fix a couple of our issues. We had some problems with cooling. We were hitting hot limiter and that was reducing boost, reducing power. So we're going to try this out. It's a product from Redline, water wetter. Rightio, so last video we found missing bolts out of our trigger kit here, and we don't want that falling off, otherwise we won't have a running engine. So got some new ones this morning and going to chuck them in and do the old gears up, hopefully.
Houston, we have a problem.
Bro, so Julo's here and he was mucking around with our throttle. And you know how I've been moaning we've got no bloody power. Well, they decided to take this off and then move this, and we've got now double the rotation. So maybe we're not down on power because this was bloody stopped, so we only had bloody half throttle, half power. Far out. How good? We're on half throttle out of the corners. No wonder we had no power. Something wasn't right. Like I must be temperature related, but that's because we only had half throttle. Rightio guys, quick recap. So we've fixed the trigger kit, got the bolts in. Trent's done the bolts on the diff. Luckily Julo was here and noticed our throttle was only opening half, so now we've fixed that. It looked like the inner pipe was actually hitting on the butterfly in the actual throttle body, so that's a massive one because I could definitely tell we were down on power, and that is why. Also over here, if you check out, Trent's painted our wheels and put a nice little red strip on there. We've got the rear 25mm spacers, so now our wheels are pumped out in the wide body, so it looks 100 times better. Absolutely love that. So yeah, cheers guys, and we'll be at the track soon.